The first step is to make a fold down the middle lengthwise. Then once you unfold it, fold the corners to the center. Then you fold the entire thing down and make the point stay on the center line. Then you take the new corners, which are these, and fold them to the center line crease. Then you want to take this point and fold it upward on top of the other two corners. Then you fold the entire thing in half from the first crease. Then you fold the wings down. Then you want to get the wings as parallel as possible. Then it's done.